Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to make Roblox game public. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So to make your game public here, you need to do a few things. Now, first things first is you want to go and just access Roblox Studio here and just go to the project that you're currently working on. Now, at the top left, you want to go and click on File. Now, you want to go ahead and choose the option here that says Publish to Roblox as. Now from here, you want to go ahead and just basically create a experience here. So you can go and click on create new experience. Now from here, you can go and add your name for your experience. So in my case, I'm going to just name this as this. And you can add a description. Now from here, what you need to do is you want to go and just fill out all necessary information. So in my case, we are good with this one. Let's go and click on create. Now, once you've created this, the next thing that you want to do is you want to access the web version. So you need to go to the Creator Hub. As you can see, it's now being set up as a server. So we have Renzi House. Now, once you've done that, you want to go and head over into your browser. You want to go to roblox.com. Now, in roblox.com, you want to go and click on Create at the top section here or tab. And in here, you want to go and go to the Creation section at the left side. Now, you want to go ahead and look for your current, in this case, experience that you want to publish. Let's go and select this one. Now, from here, you want to go and just go to Configure at the left side, go to Settings, and inside Settings, you want to go ahead and choose the privacy here. So instead of private, you want to go and click on Public. Now, the thing with this one is you need to answer a few things to be eligible to make this public. So you could go ahead and just basically click on Learn More. Now, I could go and click on Manage, Add Maturity Level. Now, the questionnaire here, you need to answer a few things. So I could go and click on Start and just answer appropriately here. So in this case, let's go and just answer here for our experience. Now, once you've answered accordingly, you could go and click on Continue. Now, it will basically allow you to submit your compliance and maturity and compliance questionnaire here. But once you've done that, you want to go ahead and just go to Settings again at the left side. Now, from here, you want to go and just choose Public. Now, as you can see right now, we can now basically make it public. Just click on Save Changes. As you can see, we've just saved this. So you can go and click on Creations again. And you should see that our house is now in public. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.